Ever stood frozen in the snack aisle, trying to choose between a burger and a salad? Yeah, me too. Back when I had a gut full of bad decisions. Hi, I'm Grace Shepherd, retired from chasing criminals, now chasing truth about how your belly controls your brain. See this gut? It's more crowded than a donut shop on free sample day, packed with trillions of bacteria. But not all of them are friendly. Do you eat junk food? The troublemakers multiply faster than bad TikTok advice. Result? You feel sluggish, unfocused, and weirdly emotional about your fifth slice of pizza. Turns out, your gut bugs send little chemical love notes to your brain, telling it what to crave. And surprise, they don't always have your best interests in mind. Junk bugs crave junk. It's a codependent relationship. But give your gut good stuff, like fiber, fermented foods, and at least 30 different types of whole plant foods each week. And suddenly, the good guys grow stronger. Salad starts to look kinda exciting. Your brain gets clearer messages. You start choosing better. You feel better. You're not just feeding you're feeding your focus, your energy, your mood. Let's just say your gut bugs are loud, and they vote. So stack the polls in your favor. Feed your gut well, and you train it to crave what serves you, not what sabotages you. So the next time your cravings hit hard, ask yourself, is it me, or is it my microbiome starting a riot? Hit like if your gut's ever betrayed you, and subscribe if you're ready to retrain it.